Students, today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is the Bhudan and Gramdan. Now, this concept comes under the agricultural history of India. Mahatma Gandhi declared Vinoba Bhave as his spiritual hero, and this person also participated in the Satyagraha as one of the foremost Satyagrahis. He supported the Gandhiji's concept of the Gram Swarajya. You all know that there was a famous concept of the Gandhiji that was known as the Gram Swarajya. After the death of the Gandhiji, the Vinoba Bhave undertook a padayatra, that means he roamed everywhere to spread the message or the thoughts of the Gandhiji in all over India. So there was a story that when he was at Andhra Pradesh, that time some landless laborer, actually they demand or they said him to give the land because they don't have the land. They demanded for the land for their economic well-being. So Vinoba Bhave at that time he assured them to talk to the Indian government for the provision of the land, and he also said that like if they undertook the cooperative farming also. So after the few years of the Sri Ramachandra, after the few years of this incident, Sri Ramachandra Reddy stood up and he offered his 80 acres of the land among 80 landless farmers, and this was known as Bhudan. You can know Bhudan means its land distribution. So Ramachandra Reddy offered his 80 acre of the land to the 80 landless farmers. As he distributed the land, that's why it's called the Bhudan, that means land distribution. Even afterwards him, this idea was introduced throughout India, and so many people did the same thing. Some zamindars also in this time only they offered their villages. That time the zamindars were the owner of the villages, so offered to distribute the village among the landless people, and it is known as Gram Dan. That means they are actually distributing the entire village. However, many landowners choose to provide some part of their land to the poor farmers due to the fear of the land selling acts. In this time, the Indian government started the Land Selling Act. The basic rule of the Land Selling Act was there: a particular person should not have more than a specific amount of the land. They have fixed a specific amount of the land. The particular people or a single people should not have more than that amount of the land. If it will be more than the particular amount, so the government can take that land. So because of this fear also, so many people distributed their land. Now the Bhudan and Gramdan movement was initiated by Vinoba Bhave, and it is known as bloodless revolution because there was no fighting, because there was no loss of the life, and in this way the lands were distributed among the poor people and the landless villagers. That's why it is called bloodless revolution. Okay.